The reason why I just filmed the main square of the old town of Carini is to let you understand the distance from there to the property that I'm about to show you. Today, I must admit, I am very excited since I'm about to film a townhouse located on the corner. It means that it takes light from two sides. Here there is definitely no lack of light. Also, as you can see, there are two entrances, one dedicated to the stairs and the one for the ground floor only. Let's start from there. Now it's time to step into. Immediately there is the presence of this nice living room. Here on the right there is this big sofa, and over there the kitchen. So practically it's a kitchen living room combined. The fridge. Here on the left, a complete bathroom with a shower, toilet, bidet and sink. Finally, the small laundry room with washing machine, obviously. Perfect. Now let's go upstairs. As you can see, the stairs are very beautiful. They are made in marble. Here, a window on the left. Light everywhere. Now the main bedroom of the house with balcony. And wardrobe over there. It's a big one. To conclude the exploration about this level, here the room dedicated to the heating system that works very well. It managed to heat the house successfully and in short time, I must add. Finally, a spare toilet, so there is no shower here. Now we are headed to the second floor. Very bright as well. That, for the time being, is arranged like further bedroom with one and two beds. Once again, the presence of a spacious and nice balcony onto the street. And a third bathroom here with window. Perfect. Even the exploration of this level is completed, and now it's time to go to the rooftop. In truth, the top floor of this building cannot be considered just a rooftop, since, as you can see yourself, is partly covered with these nice beams in wood. Also, there is the presence of this faucet that eventually can be helpful the minute, for example, you decide to grill some meat here with your friends. And here, the very rooftop with this big water tank of 1000 liters. What can we tell about this very interesting part of the property? First of all, from here it's possible to admire a very nice landscape. As you can see, we are just behind the main church of the whole town of Carini. and everywhere there is the landscape of mountains. Since by now, if you have been following since a while, you already know the conformation of Carini. To conclude, this property is very interesting because basically is equipped with everything. If you ever decide to take this one, you wouldn't have any concern, since this one is ready to move in. Also, it's very suitable to work like Airbnb or in general guest house, as you can make each level practically independent. It means reserved to the guests. From this property and from Carini, it's all.